So let's have a look how the presentation upload works. So this is our landing page. You will get here by receiving an email prior to the conference with your personal link to your account. And when we click on login, you see this is already filled in because I did the setup already, but on your first attempt you will be asked to set a new password for your account and then you can sign in like we did. The first thing we see here is the presentation submission icon, and let's click on it. So after that you will be asked to give a short biography of yours. Let's say I'm a doctor here. Let's fill in some text. Save. Let's go to my presentations. We need to give a picture of ours. And here we are. So in this example we have 3 presentation slots. So the ones that are green already, they have their presentation already in it, and the gray one is missing his presentation. So let's do the presentation upload for this one. And here we are. So this is the actual presentation upload. Let's choose our presentation file here, and the upload starts. And the presentation will automatically be checked during the upload process that everything works and is fine with it. And in case you want to change something or you want to re-upload your presentation, you can delete your files, download your file and make the changes and do a re-upload of your file. And that's basically it.